Foodie rides come with a thick and tasty cornflower mango shake. It is a special mango smoothie and super yummy recipe. Firstly, soak the chia seeds. Add 1 cup of cornflour in a bowl. Then add 2 cups of water and stir very well. Add 2 teaspoons sugar. Again add 1 cup of water. Next pour the cornflour mixture into a pan and cooked very well. At the same time add some ice cubes in a bowl. Add 1 cup of water. After cooked the cornflour, put the mix into a brass maker. Add the mix to the ice cubes and freeze 20 minutes. Next add 2 ripe mango in a mixer. Add some sugar and blend very well. Finally, add the mango paste into a beautiful glass. Add soaked chia seeds. Add freezed cornflour. At the last add some milk. Now ready tasty special cornflower mango shake. Children and adults are always like it.